Hi guys, I'm at Canary Wharf tonight because Winter Lights 2026 is back. If you don't know what Winter Lights is, it's a free annual light festival with 16 large-scale light installations by international artists. And honestly, it looks even better in real life. The festival runs from January 20th to 31st, 2026. And is open every day from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. So it's perfect to visit in the evening time. It's also super easy to get here. The nearest station is Canary Wharf on the Jubilee line and the Elizabeth line. And yes, it's completely free, no booking needed. You can just walk around and enjoy the lights. It's cold, but atmosphere feels really lively and fun. Just remember to stay warm this winter in London. If you are around, definitely come and check this out. By the way, if you want to avoid the crowd, please come in the weekdays. Follow me for more exciting experience in London.